Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. How you do? Ano auntie? How everybody do? A long time I not see you. How you do? Ano auntie? Tell everybody how they do for me. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you know auntie too. In today's video, I will be sharing a little of more of our patois. But this time I'm going to give it to you in the form of sentence, yeah? The way we speak, even how we spell it too. We do everything different, you know? So if you hear some of the word, how we pronounce it, how we spell it, Lord, you know, how do make people answer? And you know what me have in that cup? Me have little lemon, lime. Yeah? The one you pick up, I try you squeeze it, and you call it lemon. We Jamaica call it say lime. And we have little honey, mix it with little honey and little hot water. Yes, boiling water. I hit me a drink, I hit me feel for. You know, sometimes you feel for little thing, you know, you know, have to buy you a little on your house and, take turn you and make fashion. I saw the thing run. Yeah, man. Okay, the first one that we're gonna look at is, as I said, it's patois. Lord have mercy. Jamaican expression. Sometimes they put a their hand on their head. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. It look like Nehobia, Miss Pearl. It look like Nehobia, Miss Pearl. Lord have mercy. It look like Nehobia, Miss Pearl. It's a form of expression. Lord, L-A-D. Lord, how you stand so? Lord, man. Yeah, form of expression. Lord. English. Lord have mercy. You notice? Patois, Lord, L-A-D. L-A-W-D, sorry. L-A-W-D, Lord. English, L-O-R-D. Lord have mercy. Right? Lord have mercy. It seems that they have cast a spell on Miss Pearl. That's the English. Another one. But wait. Susie. Gal. You not dead yet? You listen. You not dead yet? Gal. We're talking about girl. Gal, girl. Then English. But wait. Susie, girl. I thought you've been dead by now. English. Another patois. Jesus Christ. Jamaican. Jesus Christ. What a boy done? That's for my expression. Jesus Christ. What a boy done? English. Jesus Christ. This boy is dunce. He's not smart. Another patois. Master God pick me. He's talking about somebody here. Master God pick me. Your face bumpy bumpy and favor razor E. E. English. Oh my God. Child. Your face is very bumpy and resembles a razor. Another, what a way the boy favor Pato. Jamaican. What a way the boy favor Pato. English. This boy really resembles a Pato. He has very large eyes. Hey, buff teeth boy. Hey, buff teeth boy. Tap fling up me bag them son no. Hey, buff teeth boy. Tap fling up me bag them son no. English. Sir, could you please refrain from throwing my luggage? Like that. Wait there. No robot taxi now run today. Jamaica, not today. Today. No robot taxi now run today. Hold on a minute. Is there any illegal taxis running today? Patois. Lord God. Normally they would, Lord God. JPS cut off my light. Sorry about that. I mean, say sorry about that. Can't be sorry for you that still. Lord God, JPS lock off the light. English. Oh Lord, JPS has cut off the electricity again. It's English. Patois. What make your trousers look so? You take your measurement in the water. What make your trousers look so? You take your measurement in the water. Aren't those pants a bit short for you? And then you have this one. Schoolers. Most Jamaicans, you're familiar with that? Schoolers. Smile up yourself now. Schoolers. Smile up yourself now. Make daddy can't sit down. With the bus, the doctor or conductor saying that they need to, either go up some more, make some room so that others, this is what happened in Jamaica when you take like the minibus or I'll say the minibus, and in their times it's really packed, and then you have a lot of them, they don't like to take schoolers. So for instance, then you have schools, they always prefer the schoolers stand up, the student, so they say schoolers. Here they spell this schoolers, SKOOLAZ. In Jamaica we say Z. Schoolers, they're talking about children going to school, which is the same word as SCHOOLERS, schoolers. Okay, so we said school. The doctor said schoolers. Smile up yourself now. Yeah, make room so daddy can't sit down. English, schoolers. Make some room so that grandpa can sit. Those are some of our patois. We have them all in all different forms. Yeah? All different forms. We have things like when the first one when I said Lord have mercy, or thing like that. These are words that Jamaican use. Galang no, Lord man, we are look for me so far. You never see me yet. That's Jamaican. Yeah, we have a lot of, as I said, patois. We can, it spells different way, pronounce different way, speak different ways, but then it's all boils down to patois. Hope you find this video informative. If you do, like, subscribe, Share. Share it. Tell it to everybody. Share. Share it. I like it. Give it some love. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. And wherever you are, and whatever you're doing, be blessed.